Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Then let's tap on Special App Access and here enter Install Unknown Apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it, so just tap on the app. For example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome. So enter the Chrome and tap on the switcher here. As you can see now, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so make sure that you're downloading it from a secure source. Alright, and if you wish, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.